Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we are back with another really quick Dollar Tree haul just to show off a few new items. And yeah, stay tuned. Now, I think I mentioned yesterday with my post, my upload of following Do It on a Dime, which I really love her hacks and her tips from Dollar Tree, and it's a number of other brand, big brand stores. Nonetheless, she mentioned that she used in one of her cleaning hacks the Brillo Basic Dish Spray, and she can use this on windows. So I'm going to give it a try. I hope it works. This is a fresh scent, 10 fluid ounces. Again, I wouldn't use this on my dishes, I don't think. But I'm going to see, I'm going to try them out on my windows to see if it really gives me a cleaning effect. And I'll again link her cleaning hack in the description box below. But yes, I did find it today. One bottle. They go quickly, I think, at my branch. Also, I did enjoy their scrub buddies in their cleaning section too. It's the Brillo. And also in their cleaning section, scrub buddies, vinyl gloves, 10 per package. They really do come in handy. I'm using them for other purposes and cleaning as well. So I do recommend them if you don't find the other brand that I've always advertised. I think it's called Pure or something. Nonetheless, not bad for $1.25. Also in their cleaning section, scrub buddies, I was running low on the sponges, and like I said, you can't beat 6 per pack for $1.25. You can't even find this in Target or anything else. So that's a steal. Also, I'm glad to see these back. These not only, I will say, is only specific to men. This is a beard trimming cape. I can't tell you if you have like a home dye or you've just bought a hair dye and are, say you're a kitchen salon colorist or stylist. Plenty of people get their start that way. Please don't use. I've seen this also. Don't use garbage bags. That is not the tea. Do not use that to color someone's hair. Just get these like really cheapy ones. And, again, you could just take off the hooks. They're not necessary. And they come in handy. They really do clean up great and they dry quickly. So I can't recommend these enough. These are Assured for Men beard trimming cape. 19.625 by 31.1 inches. Catches hair for no mess trimming. Can't recommend these enough. So I bought 2, as you can see. And this is in the beauty care section, believe it or not. Also, in their health beauty care section, they have Carol arthritis and muscle pain relief cream. Also relieves simple backache, strains, and sprains. I will say they have like a balm that really does work, but it's so small. This is a little bit bigger. This is a 1.5 ounces. So I'm going to give this a try. It says fragrant free as well. Can't really, stomach anything too penetrating. So I'm going to give this a try, but this looks good. Carol. And also, I thought I'd try this. This is Coralite Muscle and Joint Extra Strength Pain Relieving Patch. Topical. It's topical, temporary relief, ideal size, easy application, 2 patches, 4.9 inches by 3.3 inches. I'm going to give this a try as well. See if I think I've seen other reviewers remark that this is a really great brand. So, again, I'll give that a try. That's all in their health and beauty care section. And their, I want to say, car section, car maintenance section by the hardware section in my local branch. I picked up these car sunshades. I don't have a car, but I think I can use these. These would come in handy for other purposes. And they really kind of push them out, really honestly, more for summertime. So I thought I'd get 2 so I can keep in stock. So, but I believe the deal guy also recommended these. These are really good. So if you are using them to keep your car away from steaming hot rays of sun, they do recommend it for $1.25 a piece. And lastly, I came across, this is what I mentioned to you guys yesterday. This is the new LED shadow projector. See, it doesn't come like in a box. aesthetic. It's a dome, and I think I see like little ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns and whatnot. I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like or what kind of color it'll have, but I couldn't resist. It's a buck 25, y'all, so it's not like I'm breaking the bank. I'm gonna give it a try, and yeah, I think it's battery operated, as you can see here. You need like two AAA batteries. So I'll give this a try. But yes, Halloween is already making its way into the Dollar Tree. So with that, y'all, I hope you enjoyed. And please stay tuned for any impending hauls or reviews. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. Um, did anything here stick out to you? Leave us a comment down below. And if you like my videos, you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you could be alerted of my next DIY haul and review. Also, I'm thinking maybe I might start a Patreon, and I can test out these items on camera. You let me know. Would you be interested in seeing that? Let me know in the comment section down below. So until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl. All right, y'all.